Girl Bella. Hi babes, it's me, Shannon for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Time to bring it on home for Mother. This is Mothership number 8. This is her last full Mothership that she has done. And then I will do one bonus Mothership that she did with combining the 2 Star Wars along with 6 new shades before I get into her quads. So number 8 it is, and what a beauty she is. Let's get into it. As always, we open this up and we have to give the copywriter for Dame Mother Pat McGrath his or her props, and this one is no exception. Let's luxuriate in an avant-garde of couture color with Mothership VIII Divine Rose 2. This provocative eye palette transforms the blushing beauties of the instantly iconic Mothership VII Divine Rose into a glittering grandifloria bouquet of 10 brilliantly glittering pigments that elevate eye artistry to the heavens in sublime shades, ranging from the petal soft pink, peach, rosé, and burgundy, to the guilty golds, brazen bronze, and astral champagne. Futuristic finishes abound, inspiring looks both everyday exquisite and extraterrestrial extreme via mesmerizing mattes, supernova shimmers, and gleaming glitters, multi-metallics, along with an outer worldly trio chrome. That it is. Trust me, we'll get to that in a second. Adoring eyes in the fiercely multidimensional chromatic shine with this angelic arrangement. There's only one rule: bloom without caution. Brava, mama. Brava. This is why she is Mother. Have you ever heard of a palette described in this way? No, you haven't. No, you haven't. I know you haven't. Absolutely not. But Mother brings it to us like this. Okay? Get into these colors. And wiping off my pencil brush, I'm gonna go back into that Skin Show Rose Opal, and we're gonna put that in the inner corner to highlight that inner corner. Next, we're going to emphasize the center of the lid with Astral Pink Moon with my fingertips, and I'm just going to press it onto the eye. Really want to make that stand out. And then we're going to take that same brush we started off with and just smooth over to make it softer. Just smooth over any harsh lines. All right, I'll be back to wrap this up as soon as I do my mascara and then complete the face, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, babes, here is the finished look. On the lips, I have Pat's Divine Romance, and to finish off the look, I used Rose Seduction as blush, and I used this one here, which I used for my brow bone, Astral Pink Moon, for my highlight. And I'm just going to dab a little bit more with my fingertip just to get it a little more blingier. There we go. And that's the completed look, all with this palette. You know I love this. I love this. It not only appeals to me because it is all pinks and rose tones and peaches, which I love, not only because it's in a rose gold casing, which of course I love, but this palette I can literally reach for every single day. I can literally do a look a day with this palette and not be bored in the slightest. You have all of these different colors to choose from. You can layer different colors on and create a whole new look. It's fantastic. You're going to love it. If you are a minimalist, meaning you don't really like a whole lot of color onto your eyes, you kind of keep it on the neutral side, but you want a little pizzazz, I suggest you get this. They still have it in this limited edition pink chrome rose gold casing. I say get it because it is so beautiful to keep in your arsenal, especially when you have all of the other ones in that black lacquer. To have something pop out in pink is just beautiful. I loved doing this segment. Like I said, I'm going to do one more, which is a bonus, which is going to be on the Mothership Mega, the Celestial Divinity. That's going to be the last one in this series, and then I'm going to rate all of the palettes from the top, from the lowest to the top one that I love. So from 9 to 8. Maybe I'll do the top 5. I think I'll do a top 5, make it simpler. So I'm gonna do top 5 Mothership full-size palettes, and then I will take a break, and then I'm gonna do all of the minis and the quads that I have. So I have quite a few of the minis and quads, so I'm gonna try to mix those all up together, and then I will do a final top 10 of all the Motherships that I have, all the minis, all the 4 pans, everything. I will do a top 10 of those. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and then tap that bell for notifications each and every time I upload. And until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.